In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this transparent effect in Photoshop. Find image download link in description below. I will set this image as background. Scale it up. Press enter when you are done. Go to filter, click on blur, and select Gaussian blur. Move the slider to this amount. Place this image into Photoshop document. Find download link in description below. Right-click the image layer and select Rasterize. Press Ctrl+J. To make a duplicate of the image, hide this one. Set the blend mode to screen. Go to Image tab. Click on Adjustment. Select Desaturate. This is going to turn the image into black and white. Go back the Image tab again. Click on Adjustment and select Levels. Follow this process. Click OK. Select Ellipse Marquee tool. Make selection to this section of the image. Apply a layer mask to it. Make this layer visible. Hold Alt or Option, drag to make a copy of the layer mask to this layer. Select the mask and press Ctrl+I. This will reverse the mask. Now, place this image layer into the Photoshop document. Right-click and select Rasterize. Go to Windows, select Properties. Select Remove Background. Adjust it to fit the image. This is how to create this effect in Photoshop. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Follow my YouTube channel for more graphic design tutorials.